Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you. So first I go ahead and use a Star Skin Plumping and Exfoliating Lip Mask. Make sure to remove the protective layers though before I put it on, and this will make your lips look absolutely gorgeous, will make them so soft and plumped up for your date night. So leave it on for 15 minutes, and while you're waiting we could move on to the eyes. Then I'm taking a shade of White Peach and setting over my concealer and going with the shade Georgia over on top just to create some nice transition shade, and added the Candid Peach as well. And then I'm going with the Burgundy shade from their Kylie's Burgundy palette and bob it right in the center of the lid. I tried to make the color shading looking more round, which really opens up the eye. So as always, it may look like a mess in the beginning, so just keep blending, and blending. This is the key to success. Then with my fingers I'm applying shade Bellini all over my lids just to bring up some pop of glitter, and the same I'm taking the shade Angelic from HIII Beauty to make my eyes pop even more. So to prime my face, I'm using a Versailles priming serum. It's really nice and it's super girly, so I thought why not to use it today. And everyone's seen me doing my foundation, so I'll just skip this step over. And now I am applying my concealer. Just apply it whatever you need, guys. I usually put a lot under my eyes because that girl doesn't get to sleep a lot, and just some dot areas which I want to be hidden. And then with my beauty sponge, just blended everything to the perfection. Oh yeah, translucent powder. Oh, it's, I don't know, I just got something in my ear, in my eye. Bless me. Oh god. Yeah, so setting under my eyes, pretty much my entire face, come on. And yeah, so your makeup is gonna stay all night long, baby. So I'm going back to this burgundy shape and going over with under my lower lash line with the smaller brush. Then I'm just using the Urban Decay pencil glitter just to bring the pop of glitter into the inner corners of my eyes. Then to highlight my brow bone, I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter by Becca Citrine Flashes Apricot. Then mascara as always, and brush away that baking. So we bake your face to the perfection, honey. And it's contouring time. As always, I'm not even gonna say what this palette is. I mean, I feel like I kinda have to. So it is Kat Von D, but I'll link everything down in the description box. Then I'm using a Tom Ford Soleil bronzer just to bronzen up my face. I'm trying to do contouring and bronzing on the natural side for this makeup look. Well, as natural as I could be, you know. And then for blush, I'm using a NARS blush in the shade Amour, the best blush you'll ever find. The shade is so perfect. It's not overly too warm, overly too cold, and blends to the perfection, guys. You have to get this blush, like I am obsessed. And yeah, just put some highlighter on your nose, on the top of your lips, on the cheekbone, on the brow bone, everywhere you want, girl, and your look is almost ready. Then go ahead and underline your lips with any couple of shades darker than your lip shade. Lip liner, it should be creamy because we're gonna blend it out. And then I'm using Versailles serum to blend it all in, and we're done. And then add some lip gloss and we're good. Had no need to fight tonight.
cast me far away.
Happy Valentine's Day. Love you guys so much. Bye.
Okay.